Hi guys, I'm celebrating because I reached 299 subscribers, and with that occasion I'm giving away 3 different materials. And with these 3 materials you can texture large object or large rocks. First material will be material of world alignment. So with this material, let me just find it. With these materials this is the most simplest materials of these 3, and you can texture, you can add color, normal maps and ORAM on large rocks, and you see how this material works. It's just tiling of normal maps and textures. So this is pretty simple material, but it is cheap and you can texture large rocks, and of course you can scale every single rock, and it will work fine. Second material is my favorite, and is for this rock. It is world alignment with micro and details normal maps. So in these materials you have a color, you have regular normal maps and details normal maps and macro normal maps. So you can add different normal maps for this rock and it will make details of it. So this model, it's not the greatest because UV of this model is messed up, but as you can see, this is very simple model that I sculpted here in like 5 minutes. But as you can see, we can simulate details with normal maps. And the third material is the most complex materials because you have a world alignment with micro and details and with Z-up. So it's called Z-up. And on these materials you can add like moss or rocks and whatever you want. And also you can scale this model and everything will work fine. So this is Z-up material. You have colors, normal maps, ORAM. You can change everything, and you have 2 different details normal maps. And here in Z-up you can add textures for your moss or whatever you want to be on the rock. So this is 3 materials. I will give you these 4. This is the simplest tiling materials, and you have this material function. Link for this will be in description, and it will be link from Google Drive. You just click the link and download file. You have download button. And when you want to add your materials to your game, you just unzip. It will be in zip file. You just unzip it, and before you start Unreal, you just copy that folder in your content of your game, and then you start Unreal. This is Z-up materials. And for these parameters, just like of placeholders, I use like default white grid and default white grid normals. And when you open materials, if you do not see parameters, is something messed up, you should have it because this is default Unreal textures. But if you do not have it, you just put here in color and in normal maps, here in parameter, you just put whatever normal maps and whatever color. If you do not understand something, you ask me in comments, but I think you should have this. I put just default white grid. And if I did not translate everything on English, I'm sorry. So from these materials, you just made material instance and add these materials as parent. And then you can change every single parameter. I'm using Unreal 5.8, but I use these materials in past Unreals and it worked fine. So you should be, I think, in 5 Unreal, you should use it from 5 Unreal and you will be fine. I just want to tell you that I appreciate you, every single one of you. I'm so happy because sometimes in the past I have 0, now I have 299. This is like great accomplishment for me, because if I had just 1 subscriber, I'd be happy. It's just 1 person is watching some of my video, I'll be happy, I do not want to be YouTuber, I want to make games. I know a lot of people when I switch engines from Godot to Unreal has unsubscribed and abandoned me. I got a lot of new peoples, and everybody who stays, I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you very much. You will see a lot of more videos from me in the future. So this will be everything for this video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.